AI agents are changing fast, and vehicle repair shops should be paying attention. Tools like Gemini Spark show what's coming. AI that can work in the background, even when your shop is closed. Think about what happens every day in a busy repair shop. Emails pile up, missed leads sit untouched, reviews need replies, and follow-ups get delayed. Now imagine an AI assistant that watches for new service inquiries, pulls the customer's name, vehicle, issue, and requested date. Then it organizes that lead into a tracker, prepares the next step, and helps your team respond before the customer calls another shop. It can also scan your calendar and prepare daily briefings, upcoming appointments, customer history, recommended work, and smart questions to ask. Reviews, reminders, and marketing can run smoother too. Gemini Spark can summarize feedback, flag concerns, draft replies, and create content ideas from real shop activity. Instead of starting each day buried in scattered information, your team starts with a clean dashboard, organized priorities, and follow-ups ready to go. That's the real power of AI like Gemini Spark for repair shops. Not just chatbots, but always-on systems that help you save time, respond faster, and capture more opportunities. America's Best Shops helps vehicle repair shops turn AI into practical growth systems, so your shop works smarter, serves customers better, and books more jobs.